Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your TD Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in TD Bank login and hit the search. Make sure guys it takes you to the official link www.td.com. Click on that first link. Now you will be taken to the official website of TD Bank. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on that login button. Over here either you can log in with your banking and investing or your cards or your leading or others. For now guys I am clicking on the online banking. Now guys again you will be redirected to the new interface which is the login page of TD Bank. Over here guys you just need to enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here and click on remember me for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username or your password, just click on forgot username and or your password. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.